to get food and to have a good time. Who here fishes at all? A fair amount, maybe half the people here, which is great. I'd like to say that basically Macoora has given us what I'll call a data Tacklebox. So all you people that fish know what a Tacklebox is. You've got your gear in there, you've got your weights, your hooks, whatever. In this case, we've got all the data that we need. Like Jared, we need to have good information, good data, whether it be the seas, whether it be the winds, the sea surface temperature. My guys like to go offshore, so I look more of an offshore as opposed to inshore. So when I need to look for a basically a temperature, I'm looking at this map right here. I'm looking at the breaks here along the warm water, along the shelf right in here. That's where I'm looking, first of all, to see if there's if the conditions are good. And again, we're just humans, so we're looking at this as, hey, that looks great. It's on the shelf. We've got a nice 2 or 3 degree temperature break. That's going to produce fish for us. That's going to produce tuna for us. But prior to that whole thing, we have to say, okay, what are the conditions? So we need real-time conditions as well. And right now, if you see, here's Long Island where I am, Long Island over here. It's got a buoy out here about 30 miles out, a buoy out here 30 miles out, and a buoy here 250 miles out, which is basically somewhere over here, got lost. We're looking for a buoy about by the continental shelf, which will help provide real-time forecasts. So we'll know how high the waves are at that very time. We'll know what the wind speed is. Because we're in a 30-foot boat. We're not in a 42-foot boat. We're in a 30 to 40-foot boat. So we have to know that if it's been higher than 3 to 4 feet, we're not going, okay? So the importance of having real-time forecasts is very real for us. It decides whether we're going or not to go.